It's Christmas 2021. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning. It's 20 degrees outside. And my John Deere lawn tractor, Plow, has broken off this piece. And there's a 3 to 6 inch snowstorm coming. So that's how I'm going to spend my Christmas. It didn't take much to get the old one off. The broken one off. I'm going to have to take the one off the other side in order to know exactly what the curvature is supposed to be of the. I keep all my manuals for all my tools on this shelf so I don't have to hunt for them. Although I do have to go through the stack, but it's much easier than trying to figure out where I left them, because I left them all right there. And amazingly, the Plow manual is right on top of the pile. And this is what they're supposed to look like. Now it's time to start fabricating the skids. I'm starting out by using my bandsaw to cut 4.5 inch pieces. After they're cut, I'll file down the ends to get rid of the sharp corners and burrs. The next step is to sand the pieces down to the bare metal. It's time to bend the pieces to match the contour of the existing part. Now's the time to do the welding and brazing. I welded this end on and then brazed the rest of it. Brazed that one all around because it wasn't broken at the end. Now I'm going to put them on. After I put the first one on, I saw where the stress was going to be, and so I put some cross pieces on. Well, that's 2 inches right now. So it's like 1 o'clock, and it's supposed to keep going till 7. So let's see if this thing works. Well, it's Boxing Day, the day after our white Christmas, 2021, and the driveway's done, plowed. Things have held up. Well, I guess that's it. So subscribe if you like it, and I plan on putting up more soon.